channel, guys. Today I'm doing an oil change on my L3 LTZ 400. And basically, the tools you're gonna need: a wrench, and then a 14, a 12, and an 8. So I've already got the oil drained out, and the oil drain is right here for the reservoir, and then right here for the engine, and then the oil filter is right here, and that's where the 8mm comes into play. It's just 3 8mm bolts. So all the oil is drained out for the most part. And then we gotta get the filter out. There we go. Sec. There we go.
You got the seals.
Yep.
They didn't fall off.
So here's,
Your kit will come with new ones.
yeah, so here's what it should look like. This is the seal. See, hopefully we get the right filter, and it already looks small. Yeah, it's small. So here's the filter you're gonna need. It's a Canon 139. This is the one that was in it, because couldn't find the right one, and we thought that the one we got was correct, but wasn't. Whatever. So basically what I did is I just cleaned out on the inside where the filter goes, and now we're gonna get the filter put back in so that we can put the oil in, which for this it is 10W40 motor oil. You can get any, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, full synthetic. So when you put a new filter in, you want to, on this quad, you want to make sure that this small hole is outside, because you put it in there, and then this spring should line up with this area right here, and there's an arrow that's pointing up to the top, and that's the one that you want on top. So now I'm going to start filling up the oil, and there's really only one spot where you do fill up oil, and it's right here in the that's a reservoir for your oil. You don't have one on the engine like you would on other vehicles. And that's also where you find your dipstick, like this. You may think, oh, that might be a dipstick. No, the dipstick looks like this, and it goes into that hole in the reservoir. So I've got the funnel kind of routed down through the fender hole right here. So there's like a vent on each side, and I just have a kind of bendy funnel, and it goes right down into the reservoir. And now it says 2 1/4, so that's all that we could find at AutoZone. So I'm just gonna start pouring this in